Hi everyone, I am your friend. This is my channel Commerce Adda. I am MCom student from KUD University. So for that, I am first year students, and also in first sem we have six subjects like financial management, marketing management, strategic management, organizational behavior, security analysis, portfolio management, and digital technology applications in business. So we have six subjects. Today we will discuss first subject like financial management. This is very beautiful and uh, subject. So in this subject we have six modules. Five modules. First one is module 1 financial management, second one leverages, and third one capital budgeting decisions, fourth module is dividend decisions, and fifth one is working capital management. Okay, we will discuss one by one models. First one is financial management. Financial management have concept of finance, business finance, and financial management, nature, significance, and approaches, objectives of finance functions and agency theory, relationship with other dis- disciplines, financial decisions, and risk return trade off, organizational structure for finance functions, strategic role of CFO. So, if you want module 1 lesson planning and explanation, so what you have to do is you have to comment module 1 and you will like this video. Thank you.